Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. I will use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to xlnx plus x. So if we do first derivative, we do first derivative of s multiplied by lnx plus first derivative of lnx multiplied by s, and we do first derivative of s. First derivative of s, we have number 1. First derivative of lnx, we have 1 over s. First derivative of s, we have 1. This one we have lnx. This one we have number 1. 1 plus 1 is about 2. This one in here we change for u. This one in here we change for du. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.